So a customer wants to inset a 3/4 inch power mag into a piece of wood, but then wants to put a FastCap over the top, and we don't really make a 3/4 inch FastCap. So I'm going to tell you or show you a very cool technique to do that. First step, you take your 1-inch paddle bit, just right there, like that. Okay? Then you go ahead and drill your hole, and you watch it, and you go ahead and drill a very shallow hole in there, just shallow enough for a FastCap. Now I'm going to put it in there and fit it, and you can see it's nice and flush and it looks really good. Okay, so now that's a test cap. I'm going to pop that test cap out. The next step is I'm going to take a 3/4 inch paddle bit, and I'm just roughing this out real quick to kind of show a technique that you could do. Now you're going to come in here with the 3/4 inch paddle bit, and you're going to bore a hole in there 3/4 inch. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a power mag, a 3/4 inch power mag. Always be very, very careful with these things because they're so powerful they can hurt you. And I'm just going to size it in there just to make sure everything's good. Okay, so now that worked out really nice. So I know I've got it deep enough. So now what I need to do is put a little glue in there. So I take the extra power mags here. Again, very, very careful because this will just blow up on you. Put it on there like that, so now I can pull the power mag out. Then I like to take my 2P10 right here and put a little gel in the bottom, just like that, because this is going to hold everything in there. There we go, little 2P10. Now, a little bit of activator right there on the magnet, like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in there, and after I get it in there, I'm going to make sure that I get it pretty level with the surface, then immediately put the cap on and tap it down on there so the cap and everything's flush. So here we go. I'll put it in there like that, slide it off, begin to put it down, put the cap on top, just like this. Okay, and make sure that the cap is where I want it. I can push it down a little bit more. I can even take another block of wood like this and make sure that it's flush. See what I mean there? Just make sure that that's flush like that. So now I've got everything glued in, I've got a cap over the top, and I've got a power mag on there. Gotta be very careful with this because they're so, here, I'll just do it like this to show you. There you go. That's simple.